Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by picking the correct tin snip for the cut, straight for lines, left or right for curves. Make a clear scribed line and secure the metal in a vise or clamp so it won't shift. Once done, position the snip at the start point with blades open and aligned to the line. Squeeze sharply and steadily. Make short cuts on tight turns and longer strokes on straight sections to maintain control and accuracy. You now focus on execution. Use the snip's compound leverage for thicker gauge to reduce hand fatigue and keep cuts clean. Don't twist the tool. Instead, rotate the sheet to follow the curve smoothly and keep the blade on the line. When approaching an end or corner, leave a small tab rather than finishing the cut, then back cut or use snips to remove the tab. This prevents distortion and gives you a neat final edge. You finish by deburring the cut edge with a file or a flap wheel to remove sharp burrs and confirm the piece fits as intended. If the snips bind or stick, immediately stop. Clean metal shavings from the pivot, tighten the screw properly, and apply a drop of light oil. If a cut went crooked, clamp the metal in a vise and tap with a hammer to realign, then trim small amounts rather than recutting large sections to preserve shape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.